Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, dear students. Today's we are discussing about the misconception of jihad and terrorism, and we are trying to removing these misconceptions by this video. The word jihad has been derived from the Arabic word juhad, which means to struggle to make an optimum effort. Literally, it means to make all out efforts to achieve a certain goal. Sometimes jihad is confused with war, but Quran clarifies a war as qital. The word like fitna and fasad are used for war if it deviates from the Islamic directives and it waged in order to spread mischief in the land. The war is the way of Allah Almighty is actually is qital fi sabilillah. It may be an armed struggle for the virtuous cause of establishing the law of Allah and eliminating brutality and oppression. Jihad is among fundamental duties obligated on Muslims. The Holy Quran terms it as the best for the believers in the following words: it is that you believe in Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him, and strive in the cause of Allah with your wealth and your lives. That is best for you if you should know. Surah Al-Saf, ayat 61. Emphasizing the importance of jihad, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, no man whose feet become dusty in Allah's path will be touched by hell. The common man and the ignorant persons commonly, out of misunderstanding, construe jihad as qital only. However, it is not true, as jihad is basically divided into 5 types. Jihad bin nafs means jihad against one's own self. Jihad bil mal, striving for social reform and elimination of corruption and social evils. Third, jihad bil aml, strive to spread knowledge. Fourth, jihad bil mal, struggle with one's wealth to eliminate poverty. And jihad bil saf, the last and 5 type, just warfare carried out in one's defense or defensive strategy against aggression. All these types constitute the institution of jihad fi sabilillah, which people mostly are trying to misconcept and make it as a terrorist activity. But Islam is a religion, is a deen of peace and justice. Why jihad is important in Islam? The Holy Quran says, fight in the cause of Allah those who fight you, but do not transgress limits, for Allah love not transgressors. Jihad is waged for the betterment and welfare of humanity. Islam is against killing and violence. According to Quran, if you kill a life, it is as you have killed all lives. Following are the purpose for which jihad is waged. Self-defense, as Quran says, fight in the cause of Allah those who fight you. Second is the elimination of an evil force, which is the deterring or threatening the Muslims. This is based on the concept of collective security, protecting the right of worship of the Muslims. Fourth, penalizing those who break the treaty with a Muslim nation. It is to be remembered here that jihad can't be undertaken to acquire fame, wealth, political and economic gains, conquer nations, or force people to convert to Islam. This is very important as far as jihad is concerned, is Islam, and people are not following this. The penalizing, we again repeat this, penalizing, the why the need of the jihad is for the penalizing. So there are also the rules for jihad. Allah Almighty and His Prophet clearly say to their followers. The rules for jihad is it should be weighed to trounce the evil. It cannot be it can be weighed after all options to solve an issues amicably have been exhausted. Third, chemical destructions must not take place. Fourth, possession must not be devastated. Fifth, injured must be treated. Sixth, the old man, woman, children, and other prides must not be harassed. Churches and other places of worship should not be demolished. Trees must not be cut. War should stop for peace talks. Those killed must not be mutilated. Ambassadors should not be slain. These are very much clear boundaries of jihad. In this video, we are talking about only jihad, and the part two of this video we are talking about terrorism, and finally we conclude what is the difference between jihad and terrorism. The misconception, the very misconception in Western world that all Muslims are terrorists. It is not so. Muslims are real Muslims. The Mu'mins are peace lovers, because Islam is a complete code of life. There are the guidelines in which Muslims follow and live their own lives. Islam is a deen of peace and justice. So there is a misconception that jihad is a terrorism. It is absolutely not. Jihad is a different thing and terrorism is a different thing. We are trying in the part 2 of this video that terrorism is the 180-degree opposite to jihad. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.